Welcome to my channel Sociology 3 and 1. Today we will talk about cultural relativism. So let's start. This is a method whereby different societies or cultures are analyzed objectively without using the values of one culture to judge the one of another culture. We cannot possibly understand the actions of other groups if we analyze them in terms of our own motives and values. We must interpret their behavior in the light of their motives, habits, and values if we are to understand them in true sense. Cultural relativism means that the function and meaning of a trait are relative to its cultural setting in a given society. A trait is neither good nor bad in itself. It is good or bad only with reference to the culture in which it is to function. Fur clothing is good in the Arctic but not in the tropic societies. In some hunting societies which occasionally face long periods of hunger, to be fed is good. It is real survival value and fed people are value. In our society, to be fed is not only unnecessary but is known to be unhelpful, and fed people are not admired openly. The concept of cultural relativism does not mean that all customs are equally valuable, nor does it imply that no customs are harmful. Some patterns of behavior may be injurious everywhere, but even such patterns serve some purpose in the culture and the society will suffer. The central point in cultural relativism is that in a particular cultural setting, certain traits are right because they work well in that setting, while other traits are wrong because they would clash painfully in that particular society.